Hello, welcome to my video. Today we're going to talk about Radient Technology. I have not made a video dedicated to the Radient Technology even though I own a decent amount of shares of their company. At the moment I have 58,000 shares at the price of 57 cents per share. My biggest problem with Radient Technology is that I don't know how much money they will generate 1 to 2 years down the road. On September 20th, 2017, Radient Technologies Inc. announced the successful completion of a project to extract nicotine from tobacco at industrial scale, the result of over 4 years of research and development with a leading tobacco manufacturer. The project's goal was to remove nicotine from tobacco biomass while minimizing the impact on the appearance, smell, and taste of the nicotine-depleted tobacco. The project based on Radient's proprietary microwave-assisted process. When I heard this news, I bought around 160,000 shares at 57 cents, and then I sold off 40,000 shares at around 85 cents, and then sold 30,000 shares at $2, then sold another 20,000 shares at $1.50. Now I have 57,000 shares left at 57 cents. I am up at least 150% with the stock. The main reason why I sold off this stock was I was unsure how much money it would actually make in the future. Now I'm going to talk about some positive news. On November 30th, 2017, Radient Technologies Inc. announced the appointment of Mr. Terry Booth to its board of directors as a non-independent, non-executive director. For anyone that doesn't know who Terry Booth is, he is the visionary founder and CEO of Aurora Cannabis Inc. I believe they also invested $12 million into Radient Technologies for 17% of the company. I am now going to quote Terry Booth. I am very pleased to be joining Radiant's board to further strengthen the ties between our two companies. I have been very impressed with Radient Technology and management team from the time we started speaking, and I look forward to working even more closely with Dennis and the team to help Radient achieve its potential both within the cannabis industry and beyond. So far, Radient Technology has signed master services agreements for 3 producers: Aurora Cannabis, Terra Life Sciences, a private Alberta-based pharmaceutical manufacturer that also produces cannabis, and Bonify, a private Manitoba-based Canadian licensed producer of medical cannabis. A simple explanation of master services agreement is a contract reached between parties, in which the parties agree to most of the terms that will govern future transactions or future agreements. So business would be good when legalization commences in Canada. I also believe they will extract CBD from hempco when cannabis legalization commences in Canada. On January 9, 2018, Radient has announced that they intend to acquire Alberta Limited. Alberta Limited owns the land and the building, which is around 20,000 square feet. The building is a facility that has been in operation since 2016, and its purpose is to process dry biomass. The facility is also fully GMP compliant and is in the process of acquiring an ACMPR license from Health Canada this year. Radiant's long-term strategies is to expand their business operations in Europe. Because they are expanding the facility, it seems that they will be extremely busy when legalization hits. The problem is that I don't know how to predict how much money the company will make per quarter in the next year or even 2 years down the road, due to the fact that I'm not familiar with their business model. I know Aurora will make at least $1 billion when their Aurora Sky facility is fully operational. If someone knows how much revenue they will generate in the next 1 to 2 years, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for future updates. Give me a thumbs down if you dislike this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Have a great day.